Alright guys, thank you so much for coming. This week I hope you have traded or you have made some money based on the last weekly webinar. This week we are going to analyze all the scripts again and let's see what possibilities we have in the market. So with that picture in mind, we'll start with our dearest Nifty, right? So this is how we see the structure now, and now we have more information, right? Every week we come here and we get more information, and now actually picture is getting clear. It's very simple now. It's not very much difficult. The way I'm looking at this structure is now, this was the first impulse from the last week, which means we need to fib it actually. So hold on a second. Yep, so we have fib it. That means we are focusing on that impulse. Now actually this is a corrective structure which is happening now, and the way this stands right now, this is a complex B wave. So I'm showing you the simplest one. This is how it should be developed. This should come as a consolidation like this, something like that. Let me make it yellow and give me one more spike up, then give me one more spike down. From here or from here, that's a good buying opportunity based on this pattern comes here. So I think by that time we will be having more webinars, so you can have more details, but this is the simplest and the very simple form of this pattern to be developed. Now what if they want to make a complex corrective structure? In that case, they will give, instead of coming correctively, or instead of making some more consolidation here, they will break through it, give you consolidation of that impulse, and they will come back down and go back up and come back down and then go back up. I think that we have discussed from the last week also. That's the possibility, but based on this pattern, this possibility also remains. But again, this is a complex one. You have to be aware of that, and you need updates like as long as you're getting new candles, right? So this is daily candle. Every candle will be coming after each day. Let's dig in and see what's happening inside of that. It's very simple now. You can see what's happening. They're consolidating. That's why I said I'm expecting a simple pattern. Give me one up, then come back down. That's a potential. All the bulls will come here and push it back up. If they are failing to do so, this will do this. You see that? That's what happens when they fail to do it. What if bulls are intact? They will do that. See the difference? That's the difference. If bulls are winning, that's the formation you are going to focus, and if bears are going to be dominate this market, this is the formation you're going to get it. In either way, this is the one leg, this is the one leg, and this is the one leg. Forget about this trading. Don't trade that. So that's the formation based on this impulse. I'm getting it. I think you can expect what is this? How do we get it? This. Yep. So you can expect something like this once you tag here. Alright, you can see that it can come or it cannot come, depends on the conditions, how many waves into it, and when this legs finish. So you have to study this leg to be finished, but this is the main swing trade from this week onward. I think this is the first week since the last third week. If you get something like this formation, trade this leg. This leg is something 2, 3, 4 days, but there is a one potential upside. This potential upside will still be intact even if you come close to the trend line correctively. So if this comes down, you can trade that intraday, but if it's coming like that, there is still hope we can get one more up based on this formation we have. All right, so those are the simple legs I'm paying attention. 1, 2, what happened, sorry 1, 2, and that 3, 1. All right, so that's Nifty. As of now, this stands. This is the way we are looking at this. Bank Nifty,